tortellini is the most famous food in Bologna, and I am so lucky to be here with the Venturi sisters, Monica and Danny. So in Bologna, why do the Bolognese love tortellini?
Because it's a very good kind of pasta. It's so rich. Every time you taste one, it's like going to heaven. And because it's full of tradition, it's very old. I mean, the first time we saw tortellini somewhere, it was after the fight between Bologna and Modena in 1325.
What about you two? Do you fight? Like Modena and Bologna?
Worse than Modena and Bologna. Black and white.
The tortellini is sort of round. How did it get this shape?
It was a cook during the 1325, which it seems that he saw Venus.
A statue or a painting?
No, the real goddess.
The real goddess.
Of course.
I didn't know she was in Modena.
She was traveling.
Oh, she gets around.
So she saw her naked because she was taking off the veils. And so he decided to recreate, to produce the same wonderful belly bottom with making a pasta.
I had no idea that tortellini was a belly button.
But in Bologna or in the surroundings, everywhere, everything you eat is made because someone saw something of some women, the hair for tagliatelle, belly bottom for tortellino. There's something physical.
It's always about a woman's body, isn't it? So the tortellini is no exception.
Yeah. We have a lot of customers from all over Italy, from Sicily to Piemonte, and just to have tortellini, only to have tortellini from us, from
What
Bologna.
an honor. So how do you start baking the tortellini?
And so we cut like this. We just have to make squares.
So I know there's pork, but what else is in the filling?
Pork, mortadella, parmigiano, and ham.
So I'm going to practice. So we make a triangle. You go so fast.
Yes. Use the thumb up in this part and just squeeze like this.
You have to stretch it.
And you just do this. You just wrap the finger. This is the belly bottom.
Venus's belly button.
Venus's belly bottom.
Turned into tortellini.
Yes.
My filling is coming out.
When it's not good, you can eat it.
You eat it?
So you
Okay.
become Bolognese. You are a Bolognese girl now.
Thank you so much, Monica,
Thank
for
you.
teaching me. I made my first tortellini.
And then you have to eat it. E vai, you are Bolognese now.